Hey, my name is James Nicholson, and in this video, we're going to talk about how to achieve financial freedom so you can retire early. Now, this channel is all about my investment journey. I'm building a portfolio for my two girls, Georgia, who's 21, Emily, who's just 1. We've just purchased our most recent property up in Doncaster, and if you check out the other videos on this channel, you can see how that all turned out. And we want to invite you along on the journey with us. I'm going to build my portfolio even bigger. And to join us and see the good, the bad, and everything in between on property investing, all you need to do is take that finger of power, turn it around, smash that subscribe button over there, and hit the bell notification. Now, financial freedom. What is financial freedom? That's what I really want to define for you guys first. Well, financial freedom is where you have enough money coming in on a regular basis that it covers all of your outgoings. So I mean that you earn enough money that it pays for your rent, your mobile phone, your Sky bill, your internet, your Netflix, whatever it is that you afford. And that number is often a lot lower than people think. You see, to be financially free right now, for you watching this, you might be living right now on £1,500 a month, £2,000 a month, £3,000 a month, or £4,000 a month. A lot of people have the perception that they want to earn £10,000 a month, which is great. But the first thing that you need to do is you need to get your bills covered, because when they're covered, then you have time. And when you've got time, you're going to be able to grow your income even faster. So what I want you to do right now is think about what is the figure that makes you financially free right now. Is it £2,000 a month? Is it £3,000 a month? Write that figure down, because when you really know that, that is when you can really start working towards getting that financial freedom. Now, how do you get financial freedom? Well, look, there's two types of income. You can get active income, and that's where you work, or maybe you run a business, for example. So I have a business, and my business, I put work into it, my team put work into it, and it pays an outcome. Now, if we stop for any reason, then the money stops. Same as your job, right? So maybe you've got a job right now, and that job pays you a salary each month, but if you were to get made redundant, or you got fired, or you quit, suddenly that income stops. Or if you won the lottery, you get a big lump of active income all in one go, or an inheritance. I've met a lot of friends that have got big inheritances, £200,000, and then very quickly, in a matter of 2 years, it's gone because they've spent it on stupid stuff, right? That's not smart. So active income is income that once you've spent it, it's gone, it's not going to replace it. Now, what we want is passive income, and passive income is really where you will get your financial freedom. And so I have multiple properties all around the UK, and those properties pay me rent. So every single month I get a rent check from that person. That goes to the estate agent. They take off their fees. If there's any maintenance, that comes out of it, and then that money comes to me. And so every single month, I know that my gas is paid, my electric is paid, my internet's paid, my car's paid. All of those payments are from that passive income. And what you need to work on to become financially free is to earn passive income. Now, cryptocurrencies don't pay that. There might be some that do have some little extra thing that they've added on, but on the whole, a crypto coin is there to go up in value. And if you needed to pay your rent from your Bitcoin, you have to sell some of your Bitcoin to pay your rent, and then that's kind of going down now, isn't it? The value of that Bitcoin is going down, and it's not gonna definitely go up every single month. And so that's really important that you look at getting passive income. Now, you can do this with stocks and shares as well, but the income from a stock and a share is very low compared to property. And now there are different types of property that you can invest in. So if you did a vanilla buy-to-let, which is, I have a number of those, then a vanilla buy-to-let might make you £300 up north per month. And so if you need to get £3,000 a month off of that, you need 10 of those. Or if you did it in the south, it's going to be a lot more to get into the deal. But if you did it in the south, then you might make £600. Then you need 5 of those to make that work in the south of England. Now, that's vanilla buy-to-let. Another strategy that you could do is rent to serviced accommodation. And if you aim to make £3,000 profit where you rent it out on Airbnb, and we've got a ton of videos on the channel about that, so do go and check out those, then you only need 3 of those properties to do that. And realistically, you could do that in just a few months. It's not unrealistic at all. Other strategies to give you a good passive income is rent to HMO, or buy and then do an HMO. And so an HMO is a house of multiple occupancy. And that is really, really, really powerful, where you will rent out on a room by room basis all the different rooms in the property, and that will hope to get you £1,000 or £1,500 profit every single month. So there's various different property strategies that you can use to become financially free. What you first need to figure out is how much do you actually need to be financially free. When you know that number, you can look at the strategies, and you can look at the high cash flow strategies, which is serviced accommodation and HMOs. Or you could look at the more traditional methods like a buy-to-let and look at how many of each of those deals that I need to become financially free. When you know that number, you can work towards that, and you can become financially free too. And that is where pressure is really taken off. When you know the bills are paid each month, now you can go and focus on what you want to do. Maybe you stay working in your job for a little while, or you could quit if you wanted to as well. So look, I hope you found that interesting. That's the definition of financial freedom. And I hope you get your financial freedom yourself at some point. Now, if you want to come along and see us at a live event where we can talk about how you can help get this working for yourself, in the description here is going to be a link where you can join our VIP waiting list and get notified as soon as tickets go on for our next live event here in London, England. So do that now. Any questions you got, do comment below. Or opinions on it, do comment below as well. Do smash that like button, guys. That helps me with YouTube. Subscribe if you didn't earlier. Go and check out all the other videos on all these topics. And also go and check out this video right here.